What up, YouTube, and welcome back to another installment of Ask Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today we are at a professional salon because I am getting my hair professionally done today. If you're subscribed to my channel and your notification bell is turned on, you guys have seen that sneak peek where I dye my hair blue. And you guys see that B-roll? Yes, GoPro, you see me, I'm trying out here. But yes, I did randomly decided to dye my hair blue, and now I'm on my way to the local beauty supply store to grab some supplies. And I do not know why I have my mask on where there's clearly no one else around me, but you know it's a habit nowadays. But we're gonna do another B-roll. Bam! So yes, now we're in my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to pick up some of this Kiss semi-permanent color in the shade Sapphire. Now I did pick up 3 of those, and I did wanted to add another color because I didn't want it to be too blue, and I didn't want it to come out green because you know that could happen sometimes. So I knew I needed to grab at least one purple color to avoid having green hair. I know this is all confusing, but this is on the color wheel, okay? Purple cancel out yellow. You guys know blue and yellow makes green. It's all the color wheels. Anyway, I did end up purchasing 3 sapphire and 1 African violet color. So now that I have purchased all of my supplies, I'm going to take that short but frigid walk back to the salon. So I made it back to the hair salon, and I'm about to sit in the chair to get my hair bleached. Now that beautiful woman that you see right there, that is my mom. If I wanted to be a little bit more formal, this is my mother-in-law. She's the owner of Foo Hair Salon located in Stone Mountain, Georgia. Everyone here has at least 20 plus years worth of experience, and so I know I'm in the right spot. Seriously, if you are located in or near Stone Mountain, definitely check out Foo Hair Design. It's family owned and operated. Yeah, boy. But yes, we're going to start off by getting these locks together. We're going to start off with the bleach. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I believe she used 20 developer to bleach my hair. I am not 100% sure on the bleaching powder, but I do believe she used the 20 developer. And we're just going to slather that bleach onto my hair from root to end. Now, when you are bleaching locks, you want to make sure that you are applying an even amount of bleach onto each lock because locks can be very difficult to color. And that's because the locks are so dense, it's hard for the bleach to penetrate the locks at times, if that makes sense. You know, I'm trying to sound all professional, but I'm just going to allow this bleach to sit on my head for a few minutes and allow it to process. Now, I'm not sure what level blonde we're at right now, but as you can see, we are making some progress. My roots are very yellow, but the back is still kind of brown, so I still have to touch up some of those back locks. And when I say I really mean my mom. So I'm going to grab her real quick, and she's going to apply some more bleach to my hair, and we're going to start this process over again. But I want to stress to you guys how important it is to seek help if you do not know what you are doing, because you can see, boom, look how blonde the back is now. I know I would have effed it up if I would have done it myself, so because I know sometimes you want to save that buck, but you need to go ahead and spend that dollar and get somebody professional to do it for you. So here I am after we have rinsed the bleach out. I'm sitting here looking like Young Thug, Lil Wayne, you know, channeling those guys. And it's looking very yellow. This is what I was talking about. My hair is very, very yellow, and so we got to cancel that out, okay? So I believe they washed my hair with some purple shampoo. Now we're going to see my auntie D. She's that girl when it comes to color, and so she's going to create this beautiful custom blue color for me. And she made this color by mixing half sapphire and half of the African violet color. Then she added a little chemical X, a little 10 developer, and it did something to the semi-permanent color. I don't know, but it made it look pop. I don't know. She's the professional. I just trust her. So anyway, she made the color, and now she's instructing my baby sister on how to apply color to locks, because there is a technique to doing it. And yes, I said baby sister, and yes, I literally have my whole family doing my hair, and I have absolutely no shame in my game. But yes, I'm going to continue to force my baby sister to dab that color into my locks. And here we are halfway through the first application. So far the color looks amazing, but we do need to do the other side of my head, and we need to apply a whole nother layer. But I am loving the color so far. But as you can see, we have finished the other side, and now we are just going to mix up another batch of color, and we're going to apply another layer. But I am loving the way this color turned out. And keep in mind, this is only the first layer, so you know, once we apply the second layer, it's going to be even more opaque and more rich and more blue. You know, so I just want to make sure that each lock is covered, but boom, look at it now. So we just finished applying the second layer, and pretty much my hair and my nails are twins. It's the perfect blue. It's not too bright, but it's not too dark. It's just in the middle, just right. So now we're just going to allow this color to process. I do have a shower cap on, and they did just place a towel over my head, and just to allow my natural body heat to process that color for at least 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes is up, we're going to rinse the color out with some ice cold water. But that is pretty much it for this color tutorial. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, because there will be a part 2. I will show you guys how I style these beautiful locks in my next tutorial. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys saw my Marge Simpson inspired look. I will be recreating that look for you guys here on YouTube, so make sure that your notification bells are turned on, and you guys will be happy to know that babe is rejoining the lock family. So we will be recording his new lock journey here on YouTube, so we're excited for that. But I'm going to continue to sit under this dryer until my locks are completely dry. But you guys, this is pretty much it for me. Until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube watching another crazy video of mine. Bye bye.